Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to solve trinomial equations using factoring. I have one example for you where a is greater than 1, so we're going to use the slide, divide, slide again method. I focused on that in a previous video. Alright, let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is take the 2 and multiply by the negative 4. I rewrite my problem. I now have x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals 0. So now I'm going to ask the infamous question, what do I multiply to get negative 8 but add to get negative 7? I've written two of the alternatives there. It's either 1 times negative 8 or negative 1 times 8. Which is it? Well, 1 plus negative 8 gives me negative 7. So now I'm going to plug those in to the usual template. X minus 8 is one binomial, x plus 1 is the other binomial, and of course they still equal 0. There it is, showing how I plugged in those numbers. Now the next thing you're going to do is divide. You divide by the number you multiplied by. So that was 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. But where did the 2x plus 1 come in? Well, you take the 1/2, which is simplified, and you're going to just slide that denominator up and create a new polynomial. It's easy. Now I'm separating them and have to solve each one individually, making them both equal to 0. Simple equations now. X equals 4. But on the other hand, we take away 1, we divide by 2, and we get negative 1/2. So there we have it. Our solution set for this problem is 4, negative 1/2. Notice the brackets. Don't use parentheses. Brackets are the correct format for a solution set. Alright, folks, you're awesome. That's all there is, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. And remember, you can do math. Have a good one. Bye.